Earlier today with the Jetta, we noticed that we were experiencing a very slow crank.
I would say that is probably not a strong battery. Very slow crank.
And then an hour later, the car wouldn't start at all. When we put the key in the ignition, we turned the key forward, every light in the dash started flashing, and we started hearing a grinding noise.
We got a brand new battery in the car. Now, when on our commuter car, when you want to troubleshoot little battery issues or any battery issues really, the best place to start right here at the battery itself. We're looking for tight cable connections, positive, negative, anything extra that's been added, extracurricular activities, if you will,
right.
Needs to also be accounted for as well. We want to make sure the battery itself is properly secured. I think we did a good job.
I think so too.
If this battery's not secured properly, what can happen is the battery can shift around, causing undue stress on the cables, or causing the cable to completely come off.
Which is bad.
It'll either make for a bad day and a thermal event, or best case scenario, car's not going to start.
Exactly.